My little sister Misha always liked the funny sound the toy she found made while playing in the ruins. It was only after she started getting sick that she learned what a Geiger counter was. Hearing a civil defense siren is never pleasant wherever you are, especially when you begin to drift away on an operating table. As her mother helped her into the wedding dress, she admitted, "I know you're ashamed of me being pregnant out of wedlock." "None will notice," Mother replied, lacing the corset. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these stories. Please check out the description box for all my links and check out also the writers of these stories.